Hello math learners! In this video, we're going to discuss about ratio and proportion. This is the first lesson that we will discuss under geometry. Our objectives are to write and simplify ratios and to use proportion to solve problems. As we discuss ratio and proportion, we're going to encounter the following terms: ratio, proportion, extremes, means, and cross products. A ratio compares two numbers by division. The ratio of two numbers, A and B, can be written as A to B, A is to B, colon form, or in fraction form, A all over B, where B is not equal to 0. For example, the ratios 1 to 2 can be written in colon form 1 is to 2 and fraction 1/2. All represent the same comparison. Remember, in a ratio, the denominator of the fraction cannot be 0 because division by 0 is undefined. A ratio can involve more than two numbers. For the rectangle, the ratio of the side lengths may be written as 3:7:3:7. Let's proceed to using ratios to solve problems. The ratio of the side lengths of a triangle is 4:7:5, and its perimeter is 96 cm. What is the length of the shortest side? Okay, here, ang gagawin natin, we will let the side lengths be 4x, 7x, and 5x. Okay, this is the ratio, 4:7:5. Then, add 4x, 7x, and 5x, then equate it to 96. It will be 4x plus 7x plus 5x equals 96. Why? It is because 96 is the perimeter. And the perimeter of a triangle is equal to the sum of its sides. So that's why we added 4x, 7x, plus 5x. After like terms are combined, it will become 16x equals 96 because 4x plus 7x plus 5x is equal to 16x. So, it became 16x equals 96. Divide both sides by 16. It will be x is equal to 6. The shortest side here is 4x. And the longest side is 7x. Since ang hinahanap dito is the length of the shortest side, which is 4x, kaya dito natin isa-substitute ang value ng x. Okay, substitute the value of x sa x ng 4x, it will be 4 times 6. 4 times 6 is equal to 24. Therefore, the length of the shortest side is 24 cm. Okay, let's proceed to the second example. The ratio of the angle measured in a triangle is 1:6:13. What is the measure of each angle? Okay, the measure of the sum of the angles inside a triangle is 180 degrees. Therefore, we could say that x plus y plus z is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, the variable here represent the angle in a triangle. We will let y be equal to 6x and we will let z be equal to 13x. Okay, so that we can represent the given ratio. 1:6:13. X is the 1. 6x, 6. Then 13x is 13. 1:6:13. Then add. It will become 20x equals 180 degrees. Divide both sides by 20. It will be x is equal to 9 degrees. Okay, this is the length of the first angle, which is the 1. Okay, what is the measure of each angle? So, dito hanapin lahat natin yung measure ng angle ng triangle. Since y is equal to 6x, okay, this is the measure of the second angle, we will substitute the value of x to the expression. It will be 6 times 9 degrees. 6 times 9 degrees is equal to 54 degrees. The next, z is equal to 13x. Let's substitute the value of x to the expression. It will be 13 times 9 degrees. 13 times 9 degrees is 117 degrees. The first angle is 9 degrees. Second is 54 degrees. And lastly is 117 degrees.